Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can craft the Tidal Pearl Seashell Light in Heartopia colorfuls event. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to unlock the recipe. You can unlock it here. Go to the colorfuls event menu and you're going to go to the rewards. Okay, and then you need to reach level 35 to unlock this Tidal Pearl Seashell Light recipe. Okay, I've already unlocked the recipe. Then we're going to go to our workbench and just scroll down until you find the recipe. Hold on. Okay, it's right here, the Tidal Pearl Seashell Light, and these are the items that you need to prepare to craft this furniture. You need stone, ore, branch, and also the pearl oyster material pack. And I'm going to craft one. Okay, and let's see how it looks like. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, and this is my first time making the Tidal Pearl Seashell Light. Okay guys, and that's how you can craft the Tidal Pearl Seashell Light in Heartopia colorfuls event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!